Hello, I'm Gayatri and welcome to my video tutorial. This tutorial is part of Simon Says Stamp Blossoms and Butterflies release blog hop. There are some really fantastic stamp sets, dies and stencils in this release. My favorite is the Wake Up and Makeup stamp set and coordinating dies. I have a teenage daughter who's into makeup that got me interested in makeup as well. After a few hundred YouTube videos, I did learn and did my daughter's makeup for her school ball in March. So I was so excited when I saw the stamp set. So here is the stamp set. The set has many makeup images such as lipsticks, foundation, tubes, blush, lip liner, mascara, nail polish, and serum bottle. Then there are so many sentiments which are related to makeup as well as non-makeup related sentiments as well. So you can combine them both. I'm using one of the lipstick images from the stamp set to stamp multiple times on white cardstock using Simon's Intense Black ink. I first practiced coloring a couple of images. I colored one full lipstick with cool gray marker for the lipstick barrel. The other, I colored the bottom of the lipstick barrel and the lipstick the same color. I think I like that best. So I went ahead and colored the rest of the lipsticks similarly using a rainbow of colors. I will list all the markers I have used in the supply list below in the description box. So I basically used cool gray markers for the inside barrel of the lipstick images. I think I used C4, C3, C1, C0 and C00. I colored them all first like an assembly line kind of coloring. Then I colored each lipstick and the bottom barrel of the image using red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, and pink Copic markers. I will link all the Copic markers I've used in the description box below, like I said earlier. Using the coordinating dies, I die cut all the images out. For the background panel, I used Simon Says Stamp Fog cardstock. I die cut the cardstock using the second largest die from Simon's nested rectangle die. I picked the Happy Mother's Day sentiment and secondary sentiment to it. I picked to stamp was to the most beautiful mom inside and out. I stamped them using VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And when I pulled the panel out of Misty and started arranging the lipstick die cuts, I realized that I stamped the sentiment off to the right a bit and not to the center of the panel. So I'm going to use this panel to make another card, and that card will be on my blog post. So head over to my blog post to see the other card. So then I die cut another panel out of the fog cardstock and stamped another sentiment from the same stamp set. It is called Life is Hard, There's Always Lipstick. This sentiment I stamped on the top center correctly this time. I arranged all the lipstick die cuts in a rainbow order and adhered them using foam adhesive. I started with adhering the die cuts on both ends of the panel, making my way to the center. This helps with nearly perfect placement of the die cuts as well as the spacing between them. Notice that I have made a mistake here. The aqua lipstick has to come ahead of the blue lipstick, so they got interchanged, but doesn't matter. I adhered this panel on to the white card base. The white card base is Nina Solar White 110 pound cardstock. I used foam adhesive to add a bit of dimension. The 3M foam is not too thick, so in spite of using them for both the panel as well as the lipstick, the card is not very bulky at all. I used clear shimmer pen to add shimmer to the colored areas of the lipsticks. A few crystals from Studio Katia around the sentiments to finish off the card. Here you can see the shimmer on the lipsticks better. They look gorgeous under the light, and I love shimmer. If I can spray shimmer on my walls at home, I would gladly do it. Here is the finished card. This tutorial is part of Simon Says Stamp Blossoms and Butterflies Release blog hop. Head over to my corresponding blog post to see more photos and links to other designers for more fantastic inspiration using the new releases. There are also prizes to be won. All the details are on my blog post. I will link it below along with the supply list. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.